Cathedral, hey. Welcome new day. So that's my bed here. My meal, which is boiled eggs and fish. I see nice improvement with my YouTube, but I'm still like, for example, when I'm kitchen around people cooking something, I'm scared to just put camera and start filming. Today, another day when I just walk around town, music on my headphones and film. Beautiful for me, something like that. Maybe some people care so my thoughts about Porto. Not a place to live like Barcelona. I could live in Barcelona. But in Porto, that's a place like a weekend, go party, go just enjoy the wine, enjoy the Portuguese snack for a couple of days. What's up? I forgot to talk about how much money I spent. So today my plan is only spend 22 euro for my hostel. So hard to fly at home, it's that windy. We're gonna go to the beach. 1 hour walk up there. Later. Time to go to hostel, be more social again. I had my lonely time by the beach. I mean, this looks really beautiful. I had such an amazing day. Woke up, finished editing healthy meal, chat with people, walk, workout, good podcast, Lex Friedman. Now I'm here filming, improving when it comes to being in front of the camera. Pretty nice place. Man fishing. Helicopter casually sitting here. And the bridge. That's a beautiful walk. I'm in Egypt. I'm a little bit scared. Egyptian gods. Wow. That's the spot in Porto. Prettiest view in Porto, maybe. Maybe not. I have a free dinner in hostel. I should go. Okay, when it comes to atmosphere, this place under the bridge is amazing. Lasagna. Entire hostel. We go to club, to bar together, then to club. That's why I love social hostels. The Portuguese people were amazing dancing. That's the club, it's Monday. I don't know, should I go? 2 people offered me cocaine. Welcome to Porto! McDonald's, last time of the day, it's like 3 a.m. Tomorrow, last day at Porto. Of course, it's so quiet at night, so